The General Council of the KHASI Author Society was held today, the 3rd of May 2022 at the SYNOD College, Shillong, after a 2-year break due to the pandemic. The meeting was attended by the President of the Society, Professor DRL NONGLAIT, and members of the Society that included Dr. KD RAMSIEJ, Dr. RP KHARSHIING, Professor BADAPLIN and others. An election of the Council for the year 2022 to 2025 had also taken place, wherein Professor DRL NONGLAIT was re-elected as President, while Dr. KD RAMSIEJ was elected as General Secretary and Dr. RP KHARSHIING as Treasurer of the Council. Other members were elected to different positions in the Society. Speaking after the meeting, the President of the KHASI Author Society, Professor DRL NONGLAIT, informed that the Council has demanded from the government the inclusion of KHASI language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, where the members of the Society will be meeting Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Minister in charge of Political Department to insist on the Ministry of Home Affairs to speed up the process. Other activities of the KHASI Author Society include the project related to the KHASI dictionary, of which 6 scholars and researchers have been entrusted with its completion.
Kesing ke bah ada insyaallah kersian kisah lagi kata kalau dong di ke sahitya sabha kalau di ke sahitya sabha apa jang ke jelah para kersian kisah dada serta di kawai di kam ki bagi lah ya keren kelong ban budin yang dikerpat demi baga serta kan aisu ki kamera Nalor kawai kamera kepada ai, mentang ada ke atas dari kampat bagian di dalam kamera kategori kamera. Kawai pat jadi dawa dalam perjo no ya ka, jika kepada la pantai, la ke jom ya ka, atas dari kamera sen. Kita kidong ki asli ki kam ki bagi dari ban butir ban sarkar. Nanta sakawai pat ke kam kolong ban pendat ya ka diputre ya ka KHASI dictionary. Ya kebangi ada sedang lalu kena kesenam keluar ada dah kejumpai tingkah jangka serta Meghalaya. Dia sehalor ni kapan ki renang rutet kiba bet kiba sini kejeng kitli kiba pura nanta jadi Dr. BADAPLIN bagi Dr. Barikat yang tidak dan ajikran kumno kena kam raya. Andai kedai kekam kebangi rai pengin pendap lakum no kumno apa life dan mentah. Macam dan kita berhenti ada di terdak bagi babuan kita bentai dari baca di KHASI. Nanta segawai pat kelong ba nyen bodien tenge ya kejing dawa jongi ban pendung ya di KHASI apa kasemet kewasra. Kejing bodien kat sedang ni nadu kini kasota jela. Kejing lagi tentu yo Chief Minister but your Minister of Political Department dan nakilin sarkar rukin budin dari Ministry of Home Affairs.
Further, it was informed that the KHASI Author Society will continue with the KHASI Author Society Award to students of classes 10 and undergraduate level honors in English. Further, it was informed that the KHASI Author Society will continue with the KHASI Author Society Award to students of Class 10 and undergraduate honours in KHASI who score the highest marks in KHASI language. A proper documentation of KHASI literature, culture, the arts, music and drama and other forms of communication will also be one of the Society's activities in order to gain momentum towards the inclusion of the KHASI language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, informed its President, Professor DRL NONGLAIT.
Kawai terai keba nyerasin keba kia kalong banten kre ya ke jindum jintip keba benia keba ngila ban ongka documentation hak bedai bat ketian kumju bat depression kumju bat culture nang ta kibai bat kibenta kom kam brodur lane ka art nang ta kibai bat kam ki gesno bat culture deni kam penni yekin ki film lane ki drama nang ta susu khana pateng ki bakum ka jaj mandri dan jajing perkhat demi kanomba jadi ka documentation kalau bantuan itu sauce transfer page. But dia kini ke documentation minra kum kasaki ke em bat ke baklan ke bedai bat ke jindawa bat pedung ye ke Singapore ke net kota. Nata syu agar ka documentation lele ka jindom jindem kam nong ro ye ke jindan ki nong pule khasi hado ki school ba nando ki school red syu economic kai KHASI ki pala le se banlong kom ki expert har bedai bat kajing pet menia lane examine yaki examine thungkam ki ba ni competitive exam lada ketin KHASI ga yo rom ha ka kne to bakra marklem pep kan sayo dan yo kawai ni ka paper dan rom kum ka subject ha ka UPSC exam. Kini kita mesti bentar ke bagi perkhat bagi pendrung apa kepada jinglom jingtip bagi documentation bedai batjing dawa ban penyo in KHASI. Jadi jaga kepercayaan maka net kebetulan.